You know, see how we alone. Look how hard we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone. Yeah, we alone. We alone.
Akura Wano. Welcome back to the newbie fam. And welcome back to the channel. We are starting off today's vlog by heading on the road. We're actually going to be spending the day together. Ziggy has work later as per usual. So we're just gonna go out for a little lunch, going on a lunch date. Nala's in the back. Nala? Nana? I just got a package. Yo, these people must be so tired of coming to my house. These people must be so tired. Just got my Shein package, so that means another haul is coming along. You can put in. Oh, bring it. Yeah, check out my husband. Yeah. Watch it. Hey. Woo! Mr. Newbie looking sweet. Package from Shein. So I just got a package from Shein, which means another clothing haul is coming along. And then I also have another package coming from Lovely Wholesale, and I do have Fashion Nova clothes that haul I gotta do too. Oh. Since you guys feeling the try on hauls. Lost my train of thought for a second. I'm gonna just continue to do them. But yeah, like I said, we're just going on a quick lunch day, get something to eat. It's actually 5. It's not even considered lunch anymore. It's like a freaking dinner. Boom. Jesus. You look so handsome.
Yeah, so I'm tasting me like my pink, you know. How do you say a feminine color?
Pink is for everybody. Every like damn pink. Color is for everybody.
I love pink.
You look nice.
Thank you.
You look sweet, sexy boy.
Why, daddy? Why, mama?
Yeah, so we were kind of debating on where we wanted to go, but I think we said we're gonna eat San Mario's. Try something different. I don't think Ziggy's ever been there. Sample out different places that Ziggy has never been before. So that is what we're gonna be doing. He never been to East San Mario's?
No, tell me to put down my seatbelt again.
Saying you're used to it.
Yeah. Boom, alright?
So Zigzag got work later
as usual,
as per usual, and I'm just here at home. So someone was asking me about like if I'm working as a nurse yet. I'm not working as a nurse yet. I'm just currently doing like my influencer stuff, but I started applying for jobs and I haven't heard nothing back as yet. Everyone keeps saying, well, this like with the whole COVID, like I should have got a job like this, but not necessarily, because I felt like with the whole COVID thing, they were more looking for people that were experienced, that had experience, especially with that. Remember, the COVID was serious, so picking up a new grad and having to like train them and all that stuff, I don't feel like they really had time for that. But I know I will hear something soon. I am on this whole new like positive journey. Well, the both of us are. We have been like just really trying to be positive and speaking things into existence. We know it may not happen overnight, but regardless, we're just speaking everything into existence. I don't know if you guys are aware of the I am affirmations. That's what we've been doing. And we try. Okay, so I've tried meditating before, like a couple months ago. I tried to do this whole thing where I wanted to do like go on like a meditation journey, but that itself is a whole journey. That itself is a whole like different type of level, like a different type of discipline. I tried it and it was too hard because you gotta really like tap into being focused, and I couldn't. Like my thoughts were taking over my head. I'm the type of person, I'm always thinking, my mind's always going. So if you're really trying to meditate, you gotta be focused, and I couldn't get to that level. Like the last time we tried, this one ended up falling asleep. Literally sitting up and fell asleep.
I thought I was like
in a different universe or something.
But probably had that happen too. I don't know.
Hey, this one's gonna fall asleep, you know?
Why you the right cross the road, boy?
But anyways, yeah, so he ended up falling asleep, and for me, it was just too much distraction, because when you're doing it, you literally gotta be in like complete silence, like.
But my name fall asleep like you all night, like. That's why I feel like.
I had to go check on him, and I'm like.
That's why I feel like, cause me I say, me just doze off, like me just gone. I like, but it feel like me just made some difference, or a dream in a dream.
Yeah, it was funny. It was actually really funny. So yeah, we're on this journey together. it's the beginning. We're still in like the beginning stage. Like it's not easy, guys. It is not easy. Even like with the affirmations, we're actually gonna get journals where we write. Yo, that's one of the worst things, when they push a stroller on your foot. But anyways, I'm thinking I'm gonna go get a journal from the dollar store where I just write all of my goals or like my affirmations or like what I want to accomplish in it, specifically just for that. So what do they call it? Scripting. That's what it's called. It's called scripting. So I'm gonna get a journal where I just do strictly my scripting. When it comes to scripting and all that stuff, so for example, say like you manifesting. Oh my god, I lost my train of thought. Yes, so I'm getting a journal where I'm gonna be doing scripting and manifesting my desires. You know, that is my goal right now. So as I've been doing my affirmations, I've noticed that because when you're doing those stuff, and manifesting, you gotta go in with a positive mind, positive mindset, positive vibes only. That's the only way it will work. You can't go in and be negative. So I noticed that lately when I've been saying my affirmations, I've been feeling a different type of energy. It's so hard to explain. Like I actually start smiling out of nowhere.
But if you notice from already, like if you listen back in some of my vlog, I say just the energy.
Yeah.
Just the positive energy.
That should be on a shirt.
Like, yeah.
The energy.
Just the energy.
Myself, I've just been doing my own research, but it's definitely something that you guys can look into.
Oh yeah, what my phone?
I'm looking for a GPS.
So you know I'm recording.
Are you? Boy, bye. But yeah. So we're just gonna go to our destination and we'll check in with you guys when we're there. I'm not even sure if they're open. I know like a lot of restaurants are open, but it's patio settings.
Just the energy, you know?
Just the energy. But yeah, we'll check in back with you guys in a bit.
Now, you know it's all that deal with. So for today, yeah, well, honestly, me get up this morning and not even want to come on work. I don't know if I like with the outer road food, you know, I like food we're cooking at my house to eat, but you know, a long time we don't come on the road, come get some food and some something. So, you know, we say, well, make you just see if we can go and get some food on the road. You know, so we are how do we do it? We are showing us some food, but if you're not hungry, don't look funny. I joke. Like, they share with them. You see me? I know people out there, they share them food.
It's so weird, like with this whole COVID thing, how COVID has really changed up everything. Is crazy. So you're not even allowed to sit inside the restaurant anymore. You gotta sit outside.
She said the word. But it's like, I just wake up this morning and may I remember some more of one, like, as a boy, you know? And may I say, I didn't like it. Let me tell you the truth, I didn't like it. You see me? May I say, just as how me have to look at that, you know, me wouldn't put her in that the situation there, it's me, yeah. So what happened was that as a boy I go up to high school and them thing, you know, say boy pinny go on the girlfriend and girlfriend go on the boyfriend, yeah. And you know this girl, so till me left school and she went just to left school CMA, which is me I talk to the girl and her mother find out. So when the mother find out, it's like me they say, oh, well, probably eating wouldn't that bad, you know. And get to find out, say mother say, well, she not approve of she having a boyfriend, which is that's like that good with me, because no mother or no father not gonna really approve of certain things, isn't it? But one meaning like is like she does say some things like she feel like a girl will find better. Yeah, like she say she will find better. Or look if she can't look for better. You know what I mean? And it kinda rub my body, you know, you see me? And the girl still talk and think you don't know say mother go say, but you know, now we talk and talk until one day I think me wrong still, you know, me wrong. Because the mother went gone, but the girl invite me over, I go over the night, you know, and then we were turn out that the mother come in back and me have to scale on fence. We have to scale on fence and thing and you know, but the mother said, boy, me must go to prison because he go report me, and even if anything happen to his daughter, even if I never me, even if I know me, she still go make me go to prison. So even if in daughter when they deal with somebody before anything happen here, I don't know. Eat it, a good girl, you know. Because yeah, say even if somebody else and in daughter in a deal or anything happen, me she just in a prison because she telling daughter if you look better and in daughter not find better. Mother they behave some way anyhow. The workout that's no longer runs, you know, it's like, because remember, you know, he's a poor man, I come from a poor family, you know, so it's like she look on here and say he want his daughter to find lawyer or doctor or police or soldier man and this, you know, top shot.
But I think that's knowing that community that you guys come from,
yes,
you know, it kind of like, so, I don't really want to say the ghetto, but no one should pass judgment on no one down there.
Well, I get where I come from, in a business, I get where I come from, and I love grew up in a ghetto, because you see, grow up in a ghetto, you can like, it make you street smart, you see me? Yeah, so, you know, that's all of that done and pass and she says certain things that me have to top walk on that the road, and I have to start take other road because police, me ain't not with police, you see me? So I start take other roads until me and the girl end up stop deal on that delivery, you see me? I would like see, you know, how we link up now and then and but when things start change for me, I know. You see me? When things start change for me, I know, because man's the hustling in the street and start make a piece of food and start take care of themselves, take care of their mother and this, because then you know, when they say like, me all come and tell police, come on, we are going to go out for dinner, or me buy up things and basically me start make some changes and thing, you know. The woman start push up back in data for me.
That's
you see me?
for what you have, not for you as a person, but what you have.
Yeah, wickedest thing now. When he see like say like me not too in it, she start push up herself for me. I just say but what me I say is
the whole moral of the story.
Yeah, the whole point that what me I try to say is me know say as a parent you want better for your kids, but never you wash your mouth on the next like when they pass word. Never wash your mouth when somebody else speak.
And
not say not say nobody not like feel opinion better than people. You see me? Me understand say like yeah, well me not understand nothing of that.
I understand parents are always gonna want the best.
Yeah, you want best.
But you'll be surprised.
You know? I want to expand that story, you know, because this is somebody else, this something, you know. The mother they say, because one of my bridge in them basically, the mother say, I don't want you chat to nobody from down here because none of them down here no good, all of them are, they have no ambition. Then I no ambition. So he said he better go to the road go look man. Guess what, you know, the girl go to the road go look man. And you see man when find out the road and that the man they beat him. The man cheat on him like right through. You know, that's when I time I hear him fat up. Man who have money, you know, the man beat it, like beat her on a different level.
But you know, there's cases like that up here where you have some people that are married to doctors and lawyers, and those are the ones that kill them and all that stuff too.
You see me? So some of the time, well, me don't know nothing, like, me I grow, you know, and I see certain things, but me feel like, if you can talk to your youth, them, because you make mistake, which is you probably wouldn't want for your kids to make mistake, but some majority of the time, people learn from for their own mistake. No, watch out.
No. She wants you to take it.
I never hear even if my mother telling pin them say them to go find rich man or find money man or she just simply tell them say yo, if you're in our relationship and say it's not working or the guy they treat in a certain way, you know, cut. If you try again and it not work, you're cut. You see me? So I feel like that on the right way, but I feel like no turn down nobody picnic because
I just brought a bunch. Yeah, thank you. Did you want some more bread?
No,
thank you. Hi.
Yeah, and all the things. I maybe hear other parents say tell like a boss man they pitney say they pitney this and they pitney that and they don't want them pitney round them a pitney cause rare. And the idea, yeah, so I'm saying no bash nobody pitney because at the same time you can bash somebody pitney and see him as how you the bash the other person kids of doing certain things, you know, idea your kids them probably come back and do certain things you're not to respect and then you probably go have to look into it and say boy you went wrong because as I see parents literally talk bad to other people pitney. Yeah, like for them pitney come dash water upon them, fight them, go around buggers with them and I say oh like bro. You see me? So moral stories in my time, majority of the time, just not bash nobody pitney. I talk bad for nobody pitney because I don't know nobody know why future will. You see me? And nobody not too good for your kids them because as I'm saying, you don't know why future will. You see me? Yeah, so big up on yourself. I just that me have to say. And if you don't have nothing can, like if me wrong towards, if you don't feel like I'm wrong, because me open to anything, you know. You see me, because I feel, you know, if me can say something, you know, can say, well, no Ziggy, you're wrong. Or so, me admit if me wrong, when me wrong. But if me not wrong, me have to go fight it. You know? Yes, man, so. I'm going to eat some wings and nice.
These disgusting birds, look at them. You're not even supposed to really feed them for this reason, you know, because once you feed one, the guy's actually recording it. Once you feed one, just know that they do like a bird call and everyone is coming. Yes. The first time Ziggy came to Canada, he was so intrigued by them because they literally like flock in one. And I'm like, no, don't feed them. This guy was literally like throwing the flies. I'm like, no, don't do that, because once you feed one, all of them are coming. So usually when you go to like park and stuff like that, yeah, so if you go like certain places like picnic places and stuff like that, they always say don't feed them, because once you feed one, just know they're all coming. Yo, there was this one video I saw on Facebook where it was like this these young teens, they fed them laxative. They gave the birds laxative, and then the birds started shitting so then they feed the birds, gave them laxative, feed them, and then they started shitting on everybody that was at the like the park or wherever they at. It was the video was funny, but honestly, yo, I'd be cheese. I would have been so mad.
This part the guy put on he fries them. He played with the fries them. Like when you saw, and the bird them fly come pitch pan in car. But them a picky glass, so a picky glass.
Oh my god.
A picky glass for fries.
But yeah, so guys, we're on our way home. It's 6:30. Literally going home to just chill and relax. Ziggy has work in a bit, so I know he's gonna probably go trade a little and just chill out.
Cycle.
I feel like, yo, I don't know if it's just me, but time is just moving so fast.
It is moving fast.
I feel like as you wake up, it's like time to go back to bed already.
It is moving.
Time's moving super fast.
But when me there walk, they move slow. I'm gonna go straight.
So did you like Eastside Mary? It was your first time eating there?
No.
I don't know if it's just that one, but it wasn't all that today.
No, like them wings properly. Them wings them bad. I like them wings them, but the pasta, I don't like the pasta. The pasta like no seasoning, like to me, I feel like no seasoning on the pan.
Yeah.
It just tastes fresh.
Yours did taste a little different. Go right left.
Stop telling me how to drive, no man.
But you're like about to pass
home. Man, me can't pass
this
home.
guy, guys, you guys see me going like this because I'm like, why is he drive? Look like he wants to drive past.
You can't, me not drive past me yard. That's it. I'm here drive on you drive.
You're driving like
up here, no man.
You're driving like you can't drive.
Sure.
Anyways, yeah, we're just gonna go home and I'm probably, I don't even know what I'm gonna do, to be honest.
She's gonna edit the video. That's what she's supposed to be doing.
So yo guys, I wanted to do a graduation party this year and because of Corona that didn't even get to happen.
She said the word Corona. Every time you say it, I'm going to say she said the word.
Why?
Because you always said the word.
We should have a jar where every time you say like this word or that word, you have to put money in it.
Corona.
That's a whole nother savings right there, you know. What's that, soccer training?
What? But you hardly see football
yeah,
but I'm place and one little time I see the football they go tell me say we go long past the football.
What I'm saying is, you know how
you never go tell Mario the football they play around.
But that's their training thing.
So
it's
so
not,
we're not gonna train them after they can't play ball like how
you can't go over there. No, shut yo.
Shuffle.
Anyways guys, you know, we'll check in with you guys later and see Wagwan because right now I don't even know what we're going home to do.
No, put on one split.
As per usual. You guys see how noisy the background is? Lay down, mama. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Yeah.